Well, morning everybody, it's Stack Smart here again, and thank you to all my new subscribers in the last few weeks, and yeah, we're up at 739 subs. I'm looking to try and get to 1,000 within the next couple of months, so if you're watching the channel and you're enjoying the videos but you haven't subscribed, then it would really help the channel if you would subscribe, because it'll allow me to bring the content to you twice a week, and we can chat about things, and you can always know when we're uploading videos. And I think that this has been a useful resource for many, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And what to start with today, there's some really interesting things happening in the news at the moment. This one really caught my eye from Zero Hedge. It's about Greeks' debts, and up until recently, if you had a problem in your country, the only source of finance and help you could get is from the IMF, the International Monetary Fund. But recently, Asia, and specifically China, has put together this Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, and since that's happened, it starts to provide an opportunity for countries that are struggling financially to have an alternative to the IMF schemes that are happening. And as you can see, have a look at this wiki page about the bank, but in essence a number of countries have already signed up to this Asian Investment Bank Fund, including England and United Kingdom and various people. There's also a number of applicants, as you can see, that are also ready for signing up. And what this does is it gives the world an opportunity to look outside the IMF for alternative funding when there's a problem. So Greece are going through this situation at the moment where they've moved into austerity and the people are not happy with it, so they're looking to an alternative to the IMF bailout strategies that historically you had to use in order to sort the country out. So it's big news really. In essence, Greece are flipping, in my opinion, towards the East for looking at their financial stability going forwards, and that is significant for the metals. So check that out on Zero Hedge, this odious debt, and Greece are looking to potentially audit what happened with their bailouts in the past. But check that on zerohedge.com. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the markets today in silver. Okay, now I really didn't know how to predict the market over the last week. We had some significant news with the Greece crisis, and then we had non-farms payroll day, and all the time apart from the news, the technicals were telling us that the market was ready for a fall, and over the last 24 hours that has kind of rectified itself, and I'm much happier with the way the market is moving at the moment. It's starting to respond again to technical analysis, whereas for the past week it's been a little bit choppy. So for those of you who have been following the channel, we're still following this funnel on the daily pattern, and it's rotating around the $16 mark. So let me put that in for you. This is on the macro scale on the daily chart. So here we are at $16 in white, and this pattern has been rotating around 16. It's gone under 16, it's gone over 16, then it's gone under again, now it's gone over again, and 16 is a very significant level for the silver price at the moment. And what's happening is we've reached the top of the rally, as I said, at 17.4, and if we drill down a little bit more into the chart, let's look at 4 hour first. We did a little bit of funneling here over the last few days, as you can see. Let me show you. So this funnel happened, and then out of that funnel we've got a capitulation that took out the support level here, which was at 16.5-ish. So let's put that round number in there. Okay, once this round number was run, as you can see here, there's nothing stopping this capitulating now until the next support, which is around the 16 level. So what happened was, out of the funnel we had the capitulation, then we had what's called a bear flag. Okay, so a bear flag is where you get a flagpole coming down. Say if it's two round numbers like that, and then it does like a little bit of a flag shape like this, and you can see that's what happened there. And then what it does is it falls another 2 steps. So this is the type of shape we're in here at the moment. So it's come out of the funnel, it's capitulating, then it has a bit of a pause around the round number 16.5 in this case, and does a little bit of a bear flag like that, and then it goes the same amount again as it previously did. So in this case we're going from, that's the top of the bear flag, and currently we're at the flagpole here, 16.4. So say if we say it's 16.8 to 16.4, that then projects us by another 4.4 of a dollar. So I think that we're looking at this type of move down to 16, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is our buy price. As I see it, we're looking for a buy price around this type of area. So I think the low is going to be about 15.8 in my opinion over the next few weeks, and we'll hit this side of the funnel. There might be some choppiness around here, not quite sure when it's going to land there, but if we'll look at potentially getting a buy price of 16, I think we've pretty much done very well there. And my picks for the day, I've been eyeing this up for a while, ready for the right buy price, is on silver to go. Please leave me some of these. I'm going to wait for the low point, and they are silver Pandas 2011, 22 quid on silver to go. When these Pandas came out, the price was about that, 22 to 25 quid in 2011. So this is probably one of the cheapest prices you're ever going to get this coin for. But please save me some. I'm going to buy some next week when we're down $16. Silver to go, 2011 Pandas, £22.19. Or if you're not feeling that flush, go for the Australian funnel web spider, million mintage, £14 and a penny currently, but I think we're going lower. And they're a million mintage, those pretty coin. Those are my 2 picks for today. I think we're heading further down on the price next couple of days. And if you like the videos, been pretty reliable with the predictions recently, please subscribe to the channel, and let's stack smart together. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye for now.